$10,000 per month from complete beginners at no cost to you. I know it's a massive promise, but if you can stay with me for the next minutes, I'm going to prove it to you. First of all, my name is Robin, and I know a lot of people in this space have been promised easy YouTube money systems without any real results. So I'm going to cut the nonsense right now and start by telling you what a real faceless YouTube commission actually is. Let's say someone, let's call him David, is searching YouTube for best affiliate marketing software on a Thursday. Then he finds your AI generated faceless video that perfectly reviews that exact software and clicks on your affiliate link in the description. Now that is a faceless commission. It's called that because David is about 1,000 times more likely to buy from you and make you a fat commission than if he had stumbled across some random guru's face-to-camera pitch. And I'm going to show you how to get hundreds of Davids every single month clicking on your links in any profitable niche, even if you don't have anything to sell right now. And I'm going to show you what faceless YouTube commissions can do to your bank account. Here's what happened on my very first attempt with this system. $2,000 in pure affiliate commissions, not over months of grinding, but my first shot out of the gate. But just to show you that it's repeatable, this same method has now generated multiple six figures for me personally. And that is what faceless YouTube commissions really look like. And if you're willing to follow what I tell you today, that can be your reality very shortly. And again, those commissions won't cost you 1 red cent. Now, let me make something crystal clear here. To generate thousands of dollars monthly using YouTube, all for free, we are not talking about showing your face, using your voice, or building a massive subscriber base. Because anyone who tells you that's the only way to succeed on YouTube is flat out lying to you. So how are you going to get all those commissions then? That's where the genius of AI comes in. I took YouTube search algorithm, a platform exclusively made for connecting people with solutions, and turned it into a fully automated, faceless, voiceless commission machine. And no, I'm not talking about Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This platform was never meant to be used by people who want to stay completely anonymous, yet I found a way to use free AI tools to create videos that rank in search results automatically, turning into thousands upon thousands of dollars in monthly profits. Now, here comes the best part. YouTube processes over 2 billion searches every single month across all niches, and virtually nobody is using AI-powered faceless videos the way I'm about to show you. This means that even if I taught this method to 5,000 people, each one of those 5,000 people would still easily get targeted traffic and commissions every single month. Our system is completely untapped and competition-proof with billions of monthly searches just begging to be turned into automated commissions without you ever appearing on camera or speaking a single word. It all happens behind the scenes automatically. So this brings me to the most important part here today, your part. You see, I believe in full transparency. The Faceless ATM machine will get you targeted traffic and affiliate commissions monthly. If you follow my step-by-step directions, my directions are very easy to follow. If you can click a mouse and copy-paste, you can do it, which means you'll be getting affiliate commissions monthly. So on that note, let me ask you, are you willing to follow my easy step-by-step directions, which will generate targeted YouTube traffic and affiliate commissions for you? Well, if you answered yes, I can guarantee your results with complete confidence. You will end up with targeted traffic and commissions flowing in regularly, which, as you've seen here today, turns into serious money very quickly. Also, if you did answer yes, I would like to warmly invite you to click the buy button below this video, make your way into the members area, and get ready for targeted traffic and commissions to come your way every single month consistently. And if you're still wondering, is it really as simple as it sounds to generate consistent affiliate commissions using the Faceless ATM machine? The answer is 100% unequivocally yes. Can you follow simple directions? Do you understand basic instructions? Then you will get results. You do have to follow my easy step-by-step directions to get those commissions. But as long as you're willing to do that, making money with faceless YouTube videos will never again be an issue for you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in...
Okay, so what if I told you that what you're seeing here on the screen, that's not me. It's not me on the screen, it's not my voice, and I haven't edited that video. Well, kind of. It's my face, it's my voice. However, it's not actually me talking on the screen. It's not actually me recording that video. Now, there's different levels to this, but you can do this however you want. You can do it like this, or you can do it completely faceless. You can put any voice to this, you can put any face to this, and you can even do it 100% faceless if you want to. Now, talking about faceless, I'm going to be showing you exactly how we're doing this method 100% faceless, because I know that a lot of you don't want to actually show your face on camera, record your voice, all of that stuff. And that's something that's going to be solved within this product. So if you want to know how you could actually do this and generate thousands of dollars in commissions, then check out the details below. There's a button there. Grab this right now, and I see you on the inside.